Hello, my name is Stephen Fretwell and I'm from SF Locksmiths. One of the questions I get asked is about the locks on your UPVC doors. Are they secure? Since the early 2000s, thieves throughout South and West Yorkshire have been exploiting a weakness that exists in the old barrels in your UPVC, composite, patio, French doors. Fortunately, the lock manufacturers have come up with some great ideas on how to combat these weaknesses. So I'm going to talk about the Ultion WXM Plus. That's my preferred choice. There are other great locks that exist out there. So first of all, there's quite a lot of the lock manufacturers. We have this other weak spot at the end of the barrel. The idea being that when a thief tries to snap your lock, it breaks off there. It leaves nothing else to purchase, and he leaves. It's a great idea, but it's not the silver bullet. Within this lock, the red part is molybdenum steel. It's super strong, can't be snapped. But there's a second sacrificial. The idea with this is they call it lockdown mode. So if a thief is determined and manages to get through to the second half of the barrel, it snaps and a pin fires into the chamber and stops the cam turning. You must turn the cam to be able to open the door. It's a great idea. And it comes with a £5,000 guarantee against lock snapping. Well, the other benefits of this lock is it's got some anti-drill pins. So because primarily the lock is still manufactured with brass, the soft metal, it could be drilled with ease. But these anti-drill pins stop that. So now you need dedicated drill bits that are not easily attainable. You need time and you need the knowledge of what you're doing. And it also makes a tremendous amount of noise. And does a thief want to make a lot of noise at 2 o'clock in the morning? I don't think so. There's also an anti-pick, anti-bump lock. Picking and bumping are similar. But again, is a thief going to dedicate hours and hours of time practicing picking locks at home? No, it's not going to happen. And in my experience, it doesn't happen, but it's a great benefit to be had. It also looks different. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. The profile of the key is sideways, it's horizontal. All the top manufacturers have this sideways profile. It's a great advert to say this is a 3-star anti-snap lock. It works. I've seen it on camera where thieves have gone into gardens, they've looked at locks and they've gone elsewhere. So it's a great additional benefit. If you would like more information, price, if you'd like to know if your doors need them, give me a call. I'm on 07 990 573857. My name's Stephen. Thank you.